Hello everyone, welcome back to Anyone's Journey. This is Vansika Datta.
And this is Anamika Pandey.
So today is 5th September, which is Teachers' Day.
And it is really special for us because yet we haven't made any video on our journey to IIT or wherever we are right now. So before that, I just wanna thank you all the professors, all the teachers. And I'm so lucky that I have got amazing teachers, amazing professors in my entire journey, and they have helped me a lot.
And whatever we are today, it is just due to you professors and teachers.
Yeah, so happy Teachers Day everyone.
Happy Teachers Day.
This is a short video where we are just celebrating the Teachers Day, and I'll give brief intro that how we celebrate in our department. In IIT Kharagpur, each and every department has a different kind of culture that they celebrate the Teachers Day. Some of them celebrate it together. Some of them individually, their scholars go to the professor, cut the cakes and celebrate it.
We will show you how we celebrate it at Department of Mathematics, IIT Kharagpur.
So we have already bought the gift, and every time we usually give pen or diary or something, but this time we thought that let's have something new. So we have these frames. So first of all, we are going to Panda ma'am. She is really special to us, and she is so helping and so nice. So on every Teachers Day, she usually bring chocolates for all the scholars. It's like she considers us as her own kid and always support us. Then all the Panda ma'am's scholar also came, and then we cut cake and celebrated it.
Now let's go to my guide, Professor C. Nahak. Actually, he is busy a bit in the office, and we just took advantage of this and came to his cabin and are decorating everything. So he cut the cake, and it was really a precious moment. And even all our seniors who went out missed this moment a lot.
Now we are going to Somesh sir's cabin, and we have brought this gift which Somesh sir likes a lot. So really this is a very special day for us because we meet the professors, and as a research scholar we are really close to all the professors. Some of the celebration we didn't record, but we clicked lot of pictures. Finally, we went for dinner party at Nahak sir's home. Ma'am has made delicious food for us, and then we talked a lot, and sir motivated us, and sir talked about all the things, and it was really a great time.
So there are a few professors and teachers whom we personally want to thank a lot. During my school times, I was having Anju ma'am and Manju ma'am, and they both were awesome teachers to me. And after that, I was having in army school Nitin sir as well as Rawat sir, who literally changed my life. And my life's motto is all due to Nitin sir. And thank you a lot. And thanks to Kundan sir, because he really marked my day, marked my whole future, how I have to go. And there is one tuition teacher, and she is Vanda ma'am, who made me feel what is the beauty of mathematics. And due to her, I can say that I have got so much interested in mathematics that I am doing today PhD in mathematics. Now talking about my graduation. So in that I got so many good professors like Raman sir, Meenal ma'am, and my most favorite Rajiv sir. And there was my Iswar ma'am and RK ma'am, whom I really want to thank from the bottom of my heart. After coming to IIT Kharagpur also, I have got so many great professors here, like my own professor, Professor C. Nahak, and wife, ma'am is also very sweet to us. And after that, I have got Nanduri sir, and Nitin sir and Somesh sir. Our most favorite is Somesh sir actually. And then I have got Kayan ma'am, Mosmi ma'am, as well as Dipankar sir. I really want to thank them a lot. And Parvez sir, thank you. So thank you everyone. I can't just frame everyone into this, but thank you so much, and thank you, Vijay sir.
My college life from PG onwards, it's with Vanshika only, so all the professors are same. But from my school time onwards, I got like all the school teachers were really nice and very they were very hardworking. I always learned them how to do hard work and how to respect our elders and teachers. And it's like I have studied in such a schools where usually we do prayers and we learn this thing that gurus are like a bhagwan and we should always respect them and learn from them. Whatever they are saying, just listen to them. So these things have it is kind of inside us that we can't take it out. We got best mathematics teachers, and that's why I got really interested in mathematics. Firstly, I would like to thank you Brijesh sir and Santosh sir, who gave me this motivation that mathematics is actually a key, and if you are interested you can go further and do something in mathematics. And then when I got in graduation, that time I got Anubhav sir. He motivated me a lot, and he just gave me one task to clear IIT, because that time now also IIT is a tag where every student wants to reach. And then I thought that I will clear it, whether it is taking a lot of time or lot of hard work. I will do my best, and it's up to God that I will get it or not. And then finally it happened, and then I called Anubhav sir and he supported me a lot. Even in his time he was far from me, still he used to make notes and send it to me online, and I used to read it from my mobile and prepare for the IIT JAM exam, and I cleared it finally. Luckily I got one online teachers also, like Prasant sir, Manish sir, who helped me a lot. Then it was really a great journey for me to come from a small village to IIT Kharagpur. And this is very interesting. One day we'll talk about it in a deeper way. But right now, I just want to thank you to everyone, my own professor, T. Rajasekhar sir, C. Nahak sir. Lastly, I just want to thank you to Pawan sir, because I was really weak in coding part, but in MSc, he was giving free classes to each and every student. And we can come any time in the department and just ask Professor Pawan that, sir, can you just guide me on this thing? And he used to give his entire time, like his cabin. If you will ever visit IIT Kharagpur, you can see that his cabin is always open, and he comes very early in the morning and he goes in the night. So each and every time you can just enter in his cabin, and he will immediately start teaching you. I have learned a lot of things. So thank you so much all the teachers, and we are really thankful to have you all, and happy Teachers Day.
So last but not the least, I want to thank my Chote Mama as well as my Tauji. My Tauji has been always a role model for me. Whenever I feel low, even now, I just remember Tauji. So thank you so much for that. And for my Chote Mama, once he told me whenever I will do any mistake, I can directly contact him. He said that he will even become Sakuni Mama for me. And I never said you this thing, but I know that you are always there for me. So happy Teachers Day, Chote Mama. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe.
And we'll keep uploading other videos as well, because these days we are really busy, and we were having lot of remaining videos that Mahabaleshwar we had visited 2-3 months back, and then now also we were having the videos. So we thought that okay, let's just upload the fun part videos, and then the other informative videos will also come. So thank you, and stay tuned.
Bye bye.
Bye.